How to create a tree diagram in Google Sheets. Introduction to tree diagram. Search for tree diagram. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data. Select metric column. Select dimension columns. Click on the Create Chart button. Tree diagram is created successfully. How to configure a chart. You need between 2 and 8 columns of categorical data to create a tree diagram. Categorical data definition. It describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need 1 column of numerical data to create a tree diagram. Numerical data definition. It is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. In this video, we created a tree diagram with 6 data columns as follows. 5 columns containing categorical data. 1 column containing numerical data. Important: tree diagram will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. Search for tree diagram. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name dropdown. Note: Header Row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Select Metric Expenditure. Select Dimension Region. Select Dimension Country. Select Dimension State. Select Dimension City. Select Dimension Department. You can set row range using the slider, or manually set value in Start Row and End Row text boxes. Currently, we will select all rows. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Tree diagram is created successfully. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Chart Header Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the text section to change the properties. You can show or hide column header labels. You can set the position. Click on the Node and Inner Label Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Label section to change the properties. You can set prefix to prepend $ as a prefix to the numbers. Click on the Node and Inner Label Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Node section to change the node color. Change the color of all nodes. Click on the Save button. When data is missing, the chart displays the labeled Data Missing. You can hide or show this label. Click on the Chart Settings button to edit the properties. Click on the Missing Data section to edit the properties. Click the left mouse button on the desired cell to zoom in. The zoom in feature lets you see the details of the chart. To zoom out, click the left mouse button on the parent node. How to export a chart. Click on the Export button to export chart in JPG, PNG, SVG, or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to add a chart to a sheet. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in sheet. How to install ChartExpo add-on. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on, enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below, please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an Extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open sub-menu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Select a chart from ChartExpo Charts list. We appreciate your business, thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.